So in 3 minutes, I'm going to attempt to drop the secret sauce on whether or not Bitcoin has began the next bull run or if we are in another bull trap rally. Now, if you guys want the full breakdown, yesterday in our Discord weekly call, I shared all of my technical analysis combined with my fundamental analysis in the current trade that I'm in. You can head to my website, zachrector.com, if you're looking to get tapped in over there. But for all of you guys on TikTok and YouTube, let's break this down. So let's start with the narrative and why Bitcoin is back above 30,000 once again. So it started last week with Jerome Powell giving us a pause in the hiking of interest rates. All markets breathed a sigh of relief after that came in. And then most recently, over the last week or so, we've seen multiple Wall Street boys and girls trying to get into the Bitcoin spot ETF space. And then we also saw the first futures ETF approved by the SEC. But for those of you that have been around in this crypto space since 2017, 2018, you will remember what happened last time futures got approved. So huge shout out to Bare Naked Crypto. He's a fellow creator here on TikTok. He shared this one on Twitter. Casual reminder, when futures got approved in 2017, the market spiked up from about 10,000 to 20K, then crashed to 3K. The Trump administration allowed it to happen because they saw a bubble and wanted to pop it. I wonder what the Biden administration is thinking. And here's the quote, and you're talking about the CFTC, the Treasury, and Gary Cohn actually bragging about popping the Bitcoin bubble after the futures got approved in 2017. Now, Wall Street has used this as exit liquidity, hyping us up in the past, and I worry that that's what they're doing here again. But then we also have to remember that we've experienced incredible bull trap rallies in the middle of these bear markets, and I think that we're in the middle of the same thing. So recall, December 2017, that is when Bitcoin topped out at 20K. Then it took 1 year for Bitcoin to bottom out at 3K in December of 2018. Now, for the next 6 to 7 months, Bitcoin rallied over 340%. Many folks in the space cheering on Bitcoin and thought that the next bull run was about to begin. Bitcoin went from about 3K all the way up about 12, 13K. And so that was a 340% rally in the middle of a bear market that actually continued all the way through 2019. And then we bottomed out in March of 2020 when the simulations got unleashed on this planet. So in May of 2020, that is when we had the last Bitcoin halving. And it coincided with the Fed dropping interest rates back down to zero and a massive amount of money printing that was unleashed by the Federal Reserve. We opened up Pandora's box and Bitcoin went up to 69K. That was November of 2021. Now, 1 year after that, November 2022, as we called it out on that November eclipse, the FTX sacrifice of Sam Bankman-Fried took Bitcoin back down to its most recent lows of 15K. Now, since then, into 2023, we have rallied over 100%. Everyone's excited. Futures ETF approval, a bunch of spot ETFs coming in, Wall Street boys and girls getting ready to come in. Are they setting us up once again? I want you guys to stay safe out there, and my time is up. God bless you all.